Question number 241. What is the maximum number of web apps a single app service plan, Premium V3, can support? Option A 100, Option B 1, Option C 10, Option D unlimited. The correct answer is Option D, unlimited. In the Premium V3 tier of Azure App Service plans, there is no predefined limit to the number of web apps you can host. However, while the plan allows for unlimited web apps, the actual number you can effectively run depends on the plan's resource capacity and the demand of your applications. It's essential to monitor performance and scale resources appropriately to ensure optimal operation. Question number 242. How can tags be used to optimize cost in Azure? Option A, by automatically shutting down underutilized resources. Option B, by identifying resources that can be migrated to a lower cost tier. Option C, by categorizing resources based on their cost and usage. Option D, by automatically applying discount to tagged resources. The correct answer is Option C, by categorizing resources based on their cost and usage. Tags in Azure help organize resources by assigning metadata such as cost center, environment, or department. This categorization enables better cost tracking, reporting, and optimization by identifying which resources contribute most to cloud expenses, allowing businesses to make informed cost-saving decisions. Question number 243. In which storage redundancy option does Azure keep 6 copies of your files across 2 regions? Option A, ZRS. Option B, LRS. Option C, GRS. The correct answer is Option C, GRS. Geo-redundant storage, GRS, keeps 6 copies of your data, 3 copies in the primary region and 3 more in a secondary region that is geographically distant. This setup ensures high availability and disaster recovery in case of regional failures. Question number 244. Which connectivity option of Azure can provide connectivity from your on-premises corporate network into Azure over a private line not traveling over the public internet? Option A, site-to-site VPN. Option B, Azure Global Peering. Option C, Azure Express Route. Option D, point-to-site VPN. The correct answer is Option C, Azure Express Route. Azure Express Route provides a private, dedicated connection between your on-premises network and Azure, bypassing the public internet. This results in higher reliability, lower latency, and better security compared to VPN-based solutions. Question number 245. What does predictability mean in the context of Azure? Option A, the ability to accurately forecast future cost. Option B, the ability to avoid unexpected charges. Option C, the ability to allocate cost to specific resources. Option D, the ability to reduce cost over time. The correct answer is option A, the ability to accurately forecast future cost. Cost predictability in Azure means being able to estimate and plan for future cloud expenses based on current and projected uses. This helps businesses budget effectively and avoid financial surprises when using cloud services. Just a quick reminder, if you don't want to watch all these videos and instead download all questions and answers, then feel free to purchase them on Buy Me a Coffee page. I have shared the link below. Question number 246. What is the maximum amount of data that can be stored in a single Azure storage account? Option A, 5 petabytes. Option B, 5 terabytes. Option C, 5 gigabytes. Option D, there is no limit. The correct answer is option A, 5 petabytes. A single Azure storage account can store up to 5 PB of data when using locally redundant storage (LRS), zone redundant storage (ZRS), or geo-redundant storage (GRS). This capacity allows organizations to manage large amounts of data efficiently. Question number 247. What is a fault domain? Option A, a report available through Azure Service Health. Option B, a method to resolve human-readable names into IP addresses. Option C, the place where tectonic plates meet far below the surface of the Earth. Option D, a physical grouping of servers within an Azure data center. The correct answer is option D, a physical grouping of servers within an Azure data center. A fault domain in Azure refers to a group of servers that share a common power source and network switch within a data center. Azure Availability Sets use fault domains to ensure that virtual machines (VMS) are distributed across multiple physical hardware units, reducing the risk of single point of failure. Question number 248. What is the primary purpose of single sign-on (SSO)? Option A, to add an extra layer of security to user accounts. Option B, to allow users to log in to multiple applications with a single set of credentials. Option C, to enforce strong password policies. Option D, to prevent unauthorized access to cloud resources. The correct answer is option B, to allow users to log in to multiple applications with a single set of credentials. Single sign-on (SSO) enables users to authenticate once and gain access to multiple applications or services without needing to log in again. It improves user experience by reducing the number of passwords to remember and enhances security by minimizing weak or reused password across multiple systems. Question number 249. What is the name of the top-level management group of an organization? Option A, Contoso. Option B, your company name on Microsoft.com. Option C, admin. Option D, root. The correct answer is option D, root. In Azure management groups, the root management group is the top-level management group that contains all other management groups and subscriptions in an organization. It provides a way to apply governance policies and access controls consistently across all resources. Question number 250. Azure peering can connect two networks even though they belong to different subscriptions or customer accounts. Option A, true. Option B, false. The correct answer is option A, true. Azure Virtual Network Peering allows you to connect two Azure Virtual Networks, VNets, even if they belong to different subscriptions or different Azure Active Directory tenants, customer accounts. This enables seamless network connectivity between separate environments while maintaining low latency and high bandwidth connections.